Hello, my dear students. So now we are going to discuss the Grahams law of diffusion, derivation of the Grahams law of diffusion from kinetic gas equation. So before going to derive the Grahams law of diffusion, first of all, what is meant by Grahams law of diffusion? Diffusion means the expansion of the gas from one place to another place, right? The number of gas molecule diffuses per unit time, that is known as rate of diffusion. The number of gas molecules diffuses per unit time is known as rate of diffusion. So according to the Grahams law of diffusion, the rate of diffusion of gas molecules, the rate of diffusion of gas molecules, the rate of diffusion of gas molecules is inversely proportional to square root of its density. Square root of its density. That is, R means rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of its density. This is the Grahams law of diffusion. Okay. Now, how can we derive the Grahams law of diffusion from kinetic gas equation? The kinetic gas equation is the kinetic gas equation is PV equals to 1 by 3 mn u square RMS. So this is the kinetic gas equation. Okay. See here, m mass of the gas, n number of moles, u square RMS velocity. Right? Here the P is a pressure, V is a volume of the gas. Can I write PV equals to 1 by 3? Instead of m into n, can I represent the capital M? U square RMS. So what is the meaning of capital M means? See, molar mass. We can say molar mass. Otherwise, just you have to see one example. Let us consider here 5 spheres. 5 spheres. Each sphere has a 10 gram weight. Each sphere has 10 gram weight. This is also 10 gram. Okay, 10 gram, 10 gram, 10 gram. The weight of the sphere is 10 gram. And the number of spheres are 5. That means the total mass is equals to 10 grams of each sphere into number of spheres. How many spheres? 5. That means 50 grams. This is mass. Mass of the total gas molecules. Here the 10 grams into number of spheres. Here the mass m into number of spheres n. M into n. Can I represent the capital M? Right. Molar mass. Right. Here the 1 by 3 m u square RMS. From this, u square RMS equals to u square RMS equals to u square RMS equals to 3 P. Can I write the 3 PV by M? U RMS equals to here this is U square RMS. Can I write the U RMS equals to under root of 3 PV by M? Right? Here at constant pressure, U RMS equals to, here the, what is the density? Density equals to M by V. Okay? Here V by M equals to 1 by D. Can I write the V by M? Here the V by M term. V by M equals to, otherwise you have to represent the capital M. Density equal to M by V. Here V by M equals to 1 by D. Here the term V by M equals to 1 by D. 3 P by D. Can I write like this one? Since you have to represent like this one. Since D equals to M by V. V by M equals to 1 by D. Substitute the V by M value. Here 3 P by D. At constant pressure, here the root 3 value also constant and the under root D. That means you can represent like the RMS, URMS equals to constant term by root d. Right? Remove the constant term URMS proportional to 1 by root d. URMS proportional to 1 by root d. And the rate of diffusion or the RMS velocity is inversely proportional to square root of its density. URMS or the rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of its density. Otherwise, you can represent the like this one. Rate of diffusion are proportional to URMS. That is the reason why instead of URMS, can I take the term R? R means rate of diffusion. R means what? Rate of diffusion. See, rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of its density. So this is the Graham's law of diffusion. Is it clear? Right? So let us see what is Graham's law of diffusion. The rate of diffusion of gas molecules inversely proportional to square root of its density. According to the kinetic theory of gas molecules, kinetic gas equation, PV equals to 1 by 3 mn u square RMS. PV equals to 1 by 3 mn u square RMS. Instead of m into n, can I represent the capital M? That means total mass or molar mass of the gas molecules. U square RMS equals to the, here the in denominator 3 is present, just to multiply with 3 into PV, 3 PV by M. Right? Here the U square RMS equal to 3 PV by M, then U RMS equals to under root of 3 PV by M. Okay. Then U RMS equals to, instead of V by M, can I represent the 1 by D? Right. Under root of 3 P by D. Here root 3 is a constant term. At constant pressure, P also constant. That means U RMS equals to, this is a constant term. Simply represent the constant and under root D. That means root of D. Remove the constant term proportional to, U RMS proportional to 1 by root D. Right? Instead of URMS, that means rate of diffusion is directly proportional to RMS velocity. Otherwise, the rate of diffusion or RMS velocity is inversely proportional to square root of its density. So this is the Graham's law of diffusion. Okay, friends. Thank you very much.